the organ clock, the entry and exit points. Yeah. Energy in the superficial meridians flows along from the one meridian to the other, from the end of one meridian to the beginning of the next. Curiously, it does not allow flow out of the last point of the earlier meridian into the first point of the following one. Sometimes it exits before arriving at the last point and enters the next meridian, not at the first but at the later point. The reason for this is not known, but it is important to know these exit and entry points by number. Okay? So, question, why do we have to know them? Because, again, we look for different connections between the meridians and organs so that when we find an excess and deficiency, we can use the shortest route to balance this, okay? There are many instances where this will be useful. Imagine an obese patient who is also anxious, excitable, suffers from insomnia, and is susceptible to paroxysmal tachycardia. It is clear that her heart yin is deficient and that the heart yang can rise from time to time. Obesity is when the spleen stores excessive nutrients and needs to be sedated. It would be ideal if the excess spleen dampness could be sent to the deficient heart yin. Okay? This cannot be done in any other way except through the connection of exit and entry points of the organ clock. Sedate spleen 21, the exit point, and tonify heart 1, the entry point. Remember that forbidden point to needle yung heart 1. So however, we can compromise the point and give it not in the center of the axilla, but at the end of the anterior axilla fold. Okay? The compromised location of heart 1 is illustrated in this drawing. Okay, tingnan po ninyo. Next po, Doc. So, to send energy from the triple warmer to the gallbladder, from the small intestine to the urinary bladder, from liver to the lung, it is only possible through the exit and entry points. If this transfer is done between meridians of the same polarity, it would be very easy. If energy is transferred between meridians of the opposite polarity, it would have the same effect as the low connecting points where there would be a change in polarity. Okay?